A TCL Roku TV black screen looks serious, especially when audio still plays or the set seems completely dead. But the article points to software glitches, loose HDMI, fast start issues, and backlight failure. Work the quick checks before paying for a repair. Start with the power drain. Unplug the TV from the wall for a full 60 seconds, not just from the remote. While it is unplugged, hold the physical power button on the TV for 15 seconds. Then plug it back in and watch for the Roku logo. If you cannot see the menu, use the blind Roku restart combo. Press home 5 times, up once, rewind twice, then fast forward twice. The article says the TV should reboot within 30 to 60 seconds if the remote command reaches Roku OS. Next, rule out HDMI. Unplug every HDMI cable, inspect the ports, and reconnect one device at a time. Try a different port and a different cable before assuming the TCL panel has failed. Loose connectors cause more black screens than most people expect. Fast start is another common trap. It keeps parts of Roku OS partially awake, which can break display initialization on startup. If you can reach Settings, Error to System, then Power, toggle Fast Start, and do Software recovery comes next. Reset audio and picture settings before wiping the whole TV. Then run a Roku system update if the menu is reachable. A full factory reset is useful, but it erases apps, Wi-Fi, logins, and display preferences. The flashlight test separates software from hardware. Turn the TV on in a dark room and shine a flashlight against the screen. A faint image means the panel is still drawing a picture and the backlight has likely failed. No image raises TCON or mainboard risk. Only contact TCL support after you have that proof. Tell them whether the standby LED appears, whether the flashlight test shows a faint image, and whether a physical button reset worked. That saves time and avoids replacing the wrong part. The full SmartTVs guide has the TCL Roku black screen ladder, blind restart sequence, fast start path, flashlight test, and repair decision checklist.